Okay, what's up guys? Never Cold's here. Today is part 1 of fixing my 1992 F150. And the first thing I'm doing is I'm gonna take out the inner fender liner and I'm gonna find the computer because it's not functioning and try to pull that out. And I already took the tire off, it's right there, and the bolts. So I'm gonna keep unscrewing this and then we're gonna try to pull out the computer. It's my first time working on anything like without my dad, because like my dad's got an old 1960s Chevy Apache, and this is my first time working by myself. So I know like the general thing I'm supposed to do, but that's pretty much all. So we'll see how this goes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this like half of the inner fender off, and I'm gonna like bend it backwards and rest it on the brake thingy mabobber. Alright, so I think I got like one more to take out. My handy dandy mini socket wrench thingamabobber that I got when I was like 6 years old and never used until today, or yesterday. Then it started pouring, so I had to stop. One more, right? That's an 8. My dad had to find the only 5.5 millimeter, whatever this is, socket, I think that's what it's called, that he had, because that's what it calls for. And I didn't have one, and he had one. So I need to not lose it. Now where's the computer? I think it's screwed in up there. Is that the computer? Guys, is this the computer? Yo, Dad! What? What's a computer look like? What's a computer look like? Okay guys, I got my dad. What about this thing? What if we like pull that out?
What thing?
There's this thing right there. That little brown thing?
Yeah, it's not supposed to be any kind of clip.
Oh look, there's an ant crawling up the wire. We use like pliers to get the clip out. Maybe it was like falling out. And they had to put like a clip in there. I'll go get some pliers. Alright guys, I just grabbed these from my barn. I'm gonna like move this under here so y'all can see what I'm talking about. On the computer right there, there's this little brown chip right there, and it shouldn't be there. So I gotta take that out. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. I'm gonna try to take it out. Yeah, I feel like that's supposed to be there. Did it push it in? No. Can I pull it out? Also no. Is that a waffle? Probably. Why? Okay, so the little bolt we're talking about is like right.
My head's in the way.
In there. It's those bolts right there and up there. And the brown clips are right there. So I think my dad's trying to like pull the screw out. So maybe this whole thing will come out as well. Yeah, it's down there. At first he tried like pulling it out like that, but it wouldn't get out. Also, I got a pretty bad watch tan line. So, yeah. Did y'all know this truck has 2 gas tanks? And half the dashboard is made of plastic, or not plastic, duct tape. But other than that, it's pretty nice. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Not a lot. Somebody really didn't want this thing to get out.
I don't think it was a somebody. I think it was nature.
Some nature. Sliding a little bit.
I wish I believed you.
No, like it's going, like it's sliding this way and then it's going back. My idea is 0. Dad's idea is 1.
You'll find that's a recurring theme. This is a really awkward position.
Yeah, it's not. They didn't want you to be able to access that from the bottom.
Well, this is the only vehicle I've ever worked on where the computer doesn't come out through the inside.
Yeah, it's taken us like 20 minutes to get this thing out. Can I try to get it out?
I get the bolt out now. Now this bolt's in my way.
Can't get a good angle.
Ta-da! Here's your custom Ford service tool.
A very long bolt.
All right, when you get it out, you're gonna have to, you might be able to get it this way. We may have to keep taking the rest of this out.
Okay. All right, guys, this thing's gonna come out. Maybe. That was my mouth, I promise. See, guys, this is how far we've gotten, okay? So it's like, it's that far out. But now it just doesn't want to come out. So, I'm gonna give y'all a better view. Lower my tripod. Let you see the computer. Guys, comment down below if you're excited to see the rest of the series, because I surely am, because that means I get to drive it. I'm so afraid to break this thing, like, because I don't want to like ruin it. Okay, I have a new idea. Squeeze the brown clips and pull it out. or get your fingers absolutely pinched. I might have to call in the reinforcements of Dad. But wait, I have pliers. This is probably a very bad idea. Yep, I don't think that's gonna work. All right, so to make it easier to get the computer out, I'm gonna take out these little bolts right here. I think this is like the cruise control thingy, because this is supposed to be the thing that makes the cruise control work, and it's unplugged, so don't need that right now. And this is a very tight bolt.
So what you could do, go to the, instead of doing these bolts right now, take that connector off. Nope, right here. You'll need a deep well 10 millimeter. Don't lose my sockets.
All right, I'm gonna try the little one, see if it works. Y'all can see where I'm going, right? Yeah, the little one works just fine. Guys, I got this little magnetic thing because it's magnetic.
So what are you trying to get?
I'm just trying to get the bolt.
It doesn't come out.
It doesn't come out.
No, it doesn't come out. It's a captive bolt. It stays in the connector. So once it's really, really loose, you'll be able to grab the whole connector and jiggle the connector off.
Oh.
Well,
So we
that's
don't need
dumb.
And I'd wager to bet that you don't have it as loose as you think you do. Because it takes quite a bit to get it out all the way.
I'll put the
Yeah,
magnets
it feels
in
like
back.
it. I might need it later.
Here, take this. Can you reach your hand down there?
Yeah.
Go in there with your hand with this deep well socket, and just, you'll be able to feel a lot better.
Oh, I think I got it. Bro, this is so annoying. I'm getting nowhere with this. That's getting much looser.
I mean, I just pulled it off. Doesn't look too hard to me.
I worked on this thing for 10 minutes, unscrewing it until I got nowhere.
All you gotta do is
And
pull it
you
off.
just came in here and pulled it off. I tried to pull it off and it didn't work.
Okay.
How's that gonna help you though?
Huh?
How's that gonna help you?
Well, it'll help. Because now you can get in there,
With my magnets.
you know, without, from underneath, you got all kinds of room now.
Oh, okay.
Now, what you still haven't done is finish removing this fender liner. Good news is, we don't need to.
Hey, now we
See
can
how
stop the
this-
video.
See this?
Yeah.
That's what's sticky.
Well, we got the computer out.
This is remanufactured. The computer's already been replaced
Probably why
in
it stopped working.
2015. Possibly. Well, we'll take it apart and find out what it looks like.
A fly just rammed into the side of my truck and made a big thunk sound.
All right. We also need to run this number and see if that's actually a computer for a 92
Well, it says 4 on
F-150. Sure. A 92 F-150 with a 302.
Well, thank you guys for watching. If y'all want to see the rest of this series, please like and subscribe. And leave a comment on if you want to see me try to get this thing to run. Well, we can't because, you know, the computer's out. But make sure to like and subscribe. Have a great day. And I'll see you on the next video.